How to change avatar in MEXC application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. If you're trying to customize your profile, setting up your account, or just trying to make your trading app feel more personal, you can change your avatar in a quick minute. First of all, launch or open the MEXC application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the upper left corner and tap on the profile icon. Once you're inside your profile page, go to the top center and tap on your avatar. From here, you can select a different avatar you want to change to. Choose the avatar you want to change to and click on Confirm from the bottom, and you have successfully uploaded or changed your avatar in MEXC account. So that's it. That's how you change your avatar in MEXC. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.